Hey guys, so here we have the Happy Moon 6-inch high pressure shower head for review, and I'm going to install this in my shower stall. You can see right here, so I'm going to remove the old unit. Okay, you might need to use a wrench, but this is kind of loose, so I'm just going to do it by hand. There we go. Okay, now I've taken, there are instructions with this, and so you connect these two pieces, the big washer that goes on top of the head, and then the ball that actually connects to the shower arm. And there's a white washer that you stick down in there, but it's very, very easily done. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and screw this to the head, and you want to make sure that you get some Teflon tape on there. Okay, and I'm just going to hand tighten this. You have to be careful with this type of plastic, because if you use a wrench or if you tighten it too tight, it will crack. So you just want to be careful not to do that. And again, I'm just going to hand tighten it right now. Okay, so we should be good to go. Let's see. There it is. It's actually, it's pretty impressive pressure. Looks like all of the nozzles are functioning as they should, and nice shower head. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks. I can definitely recommend this unit. It's looking great.